Inside your mind lies incredible potential. Perhaps you haven't realized it yet, or maybe you haven't known how to unlock it. Now, right here in this video, you'll discover one of the most powerful methods to unlock your mind: the technique of affirmations. You may not be aware of this, but your thoughts shape your life. Negative thoughts drag you down, while positive thoughts lift you up to your highest potential. All the failures you've faced or feelings of being stuck may be rooted in negative thought patterns. This is exactly where affirmations step in. Do you know what affirmations are? Affirmations are positive statements repeated consistently to your subconscious mind. These statements break down negative thought patterns in your brain and guide you toward success, happiness, and peace. Affirmations aren't just simple words. They're powerful tools that can reshape your beliefs, your confidence, and even your destiny. By consciously choosing and repeating affirmations, you begin to alter your subconscious thoughts. Over time, these new, positive thoughts become your natural thought patterns, guiding you automatically toward positive outcomes. In a moment, I'll share some of the most powerful affirmations that have the potential to completely transform your life. As you watch this video, repeat these affirmations along with me. Every repetition will help you unlock your mind just a bit more. Are you ready? Let's begin. I am valuable and loved. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. My past does not define me. Today, I begin anew. Success and happiness come to me effortlessly. Within me lies infinite strength and potential. I choose positivity and joy in every moment. Challenges are opportunities for my growth and development. I forgive myself for past mistakes and move forward with grace. Abundance flows easily and naturally into my life. My actions create constant prosperity and fulfillment. As you repeat these affirmations, take deep breaths and visualize them clearly in your mind. Feel the power of each word. Every affirmation you speak creates new, positive neural pathways in your brain. Imagine yourself living these affirmations as truths. Visualize success coming to you effortlessly, happiness surrounding you constantly, and your inner strength shining brightly. By visualizing and emotionally engaging with each affirmation, you amplify their effects and embed them deeply into your subconscious. To truly change your life, practice this technique daily. First thing in the morning when you wake up, and right before you go to sleep at night. These moments are especially powerful because your subconscious mind is most receptive, allowing the affirmations to imprint deeply and rapidly. You'll quickly start to see the effects of these affirmations. Your mind will open, negative thoughts will fade away, and you'll notice positive changes happening in your life. You might find your relationships improving, your confidence soaring, and your overall happiness increasing day by day. Affirmations create a ripple effect. As your thoughts become more positive, your actions follow suit. This positivity attracts new opportunities, healthier relationships, and an abundance of joy into your life. Remember, change begins within you. You've already taken the first step by watching this video. Now, it's your turn. Harness the power of your mind, unlock the doors to your life, and start living the life you desire. The journey might not always be easy, but the effort is worth it. Embrace the power within you. Stay consistent, and you'll soon witness amazing transformations. Trust yourself, believe in your potential, and never underestimate the incredible power of your mind. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback means the world to us and helps us create even better content tailored to your needs. See you in the next video. Take care and keep affirming your greatness.